So if you want to replace the battery inside your Suunto belt, we'll create a pressure just like that to remove that piece from the belt, and look behind it and you will see the cover just right here. You can use a knife or something like that to pop out the cover. As you can see inside, there is a CR2032 battery, but the one they recommend to put is a CR2025. The reason I put CR2032 batteries is that they last longer. The only difference between CR2032 and CR2025 is that the 2032 is a little bit more bold or thick, but they are the same size and the same voltage. So I recommend putting those batteries. I use those kind of batteries since years and I never had problem. So once you replace it, put the positive side on top and put the cover back in place and press. At the end, re-push it on the belt. There is no wrong side, and if you need new batteries, you can use my link in the description to order it on Amazon.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there, it's from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!